Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fade audio in Filmora, fade in and fade out, Filmora Audio Easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device. Right after here under media, if you don't have your clips yet, simply import the media here, click onto the plus icon to browse onto your different files. So you could add your own videos, images, and audio that you want to go ahead and use. But for this tutorial, I'm using a clip in here or an audio that is offered here from Filmora. So that one is under audio. Under music, we have different things in here or free audios that we could use. So just simply drag and drop it here onto the timeline to proceed. Now, to start adding in the fade out, so let's make the timeline bigger first. So we're gonna go ahead and put the playhead onto the part when we could start the fade in of the audio. Right after, if you want to stop in here, click onto the audio here. And if you've noticed this little circle here onto the upper part onto that, you'll just have to drag this, just like this, up until the playhead. So as you can see, there is a little line in there that it is a start of a fade in. So we'll do the same thing. We're gonna move this onto the part wherein we want to start the fade out. So onto this part, we're gonna go ahead and hover onto the audio again in here and find in this little button. And then we're gonna slide this up until here until it shows a fade out. Now if you do a quick preview onto your audio, it should add a fade in and a fade out effect. And that is how easy you could add fade in and fade out onto your Filmora audio. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.